Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn how to format columns in the data source table in Bold BI. Formatting columns helps you clean, organize, and prepare your data correctly before building dashboards. Renaming columns makes them easier to understand. Changing column types ensures accurate calculations, and using the Show Value As setting helps display values in the proper format. These steps improve data clarity, prevent errors, and make your dashboards more accurate and user-friendly. Open the Dashboard Designer page and go to the Data Source section. Click the Create New button. For this demo, I will choose a PostgreSQL data source and enter the required data connection details. Select Connect to open the Query Designer. First, drag and drop a table into the Query Designer. To rename a column, double-click the respective column to enable Edit Mode and type the modified name. Select Enter to confirm the changes. Once the column has been renamed, the modifications will be reflected in the table. You can also rename the column by selecting the Settings icon. In the drop-down menu, select Rename Column. Clicking on this option will enable the edit mode for that column, where you can rename it. Next, let's see how to handle column type conversion. Select Settings, then change column type. This option allows you to convert the column type to those shown in this table, which are supported in the Dashboard Designer. Next, let's see how to use the Show Value As setting. Select this icon to drop down the menu with the option Show Value As. The Show Value As option allows you to convert the string column type into the desired format. Capitalize each word converts the first character in each word to uppercase, and the remaining characters to lowercase in a string column. Select Save. Now, we're able to create a dashboard by using this data source. In this video, I showed you how to format the columns in a data source in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.